Welcome to this video, which is part of a series on an introduction to functional programming using Scheme. The presentations were created by Professor Mark Kvatsa at the University of Greenwich, and there is extra material provided by Dr. Yasmin Arafa, Professor Cornelia Boldareff and Dr. Ralph Bartel. My name's Andy Wicks, and any errors in this video are mine and all mine. So let's get going. Welcome to this video on using the functional programming tool mapping in Python. In this video we're going to look at how you use mapping to create a neater code. Mapping is one of three tools that allow you to cycle through a list. This is the first tool. We'll be looking at the other two tools in subsequent videos. But let's get going. Here we have two versions of the same program. The first version is the functional code version. The second one is the Python equivalent. You'll notice that we've got a list of ages, 4 ages. And what we're going to do is create an array, a list of days old, where we're going to calculate what each age is times 365. We know days old is going to be a list because the command starts with list. It's going to map through the list of ages, taking each one in turn. So it's creating a lambda expression where each item is called x. We're going to multiply x by 365, and that is going to be put into the list days old. And when it's done that, we'll display it on the screen. Now we come to the equivalent in Python, standard Python code. Again, we start with a list of ages, and we're going to create a blank list called days old. We're going to cycle through that list, taking each age in turn, multiplying it by 365, and appending it to the days old list. And then we're going to print the days old again. So what we should get is exactly the same result each time. So let's try it. Let's see what happens when we run this program. And interestingly, it produces exactly the same result. But you'll notice that the functional programming version is shorter and neater. It may take a little effort to get your head around it, but it is a nicer way of doing things.